what if I told you there's a way you can migrate or clone a WordPress website without downloading a backup file, even if the website is up to 300 gig? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can migrate or clone any WordPress website at all to another domain or website without downloading any backup file. The whole process is done right on the internet. So let's get into it. Right, so now let's head over to the website that I would like to migrate to another domain. And in my case, I have an e-commerce store right here, which can be a lot of gigs. And this method will basically save you the stress of having to download a website backup. All right, so now I'm on my website that I want to migrate to another website. And the first thing we should do is head over to the dashboard of our website. So I'm going to head over to the dashboard, and right at the dashboard, you want to head over to plugins and add new plugin. So click on add plugin. And over here, we're going to search for a plugin named Migrate Guru. So just type in Migrate Guru right here. And here it is. So I'm going to click on install and I'm going to click on activate. All right, so now having done this, let's head over to the website that we want to migrate this e-commerce store into. And in my case, the website address is this one, casetech.com.ng. So currently, this is what this website looks like, and I want to migrate the e-commerce store right to this domain name right here. And again, let's head over to the dashboard of this website right here. So I'm going to click on dashboard. And again, let's head over to plugins and we want to click on add plugins. So again, search for this plugin we have just installed, which is Migrate Guru as well, and install as well. And we are going to click on activate. All right, so now we have completed the same steps for both websites. All right, so right here on the website that we want to migrate the e-commerce store to, we are going to copy this key right here. So click on copy key, and here is the key. So I'm just going to click on copy key. Now the migration key has been copied right on the destination website. So now let's head over to the e-commerce store that we want to migrate, and I'm going to scroll down right here and I'm going to click on yes, I have installed it. So click on yes, I've installed it, and the key we have copied from the destination website, you're going to paste it right here and click on validate key. All right, so now you can see right here it's asking for an email. Now this email will basically notify you when the migration is completed. So I'm just going to put in my email right here and migration overview. So now you can see this is the current website we have. That's the e-commerce store, and it says we are migrating our website to casetech.com.ng. So basically we're migrating the e-commerce store to this website right here. And once you have confirmed this, make sure this is correct and click on initiate migration. And that is basically going to start the process of migrating this e-commerce store to casetech.com.ng. And the good thing is that you do not have to download any backup on your website. So if you do not have a lot of space, this will save you the hassle. So we're going to wait and see how this progress is initiated. So right here it says your destination site has a bot protection mechanism that requires so let's head over to the destination site again and copy this key, and again let's paste it right here and click on migrate. So right now obviously the migration is in progress, and you can see it says migrating Raspberry Shop to casetech.com.ng. All right, so now we are waiting for this migration to be completed, and yeah, So a quick shout out to the sponsors of today's video, Wisdom Labs. Now, if you are looking to migrate or clone a website from any content management system like Wix, Squarespace, Joomla, or any custom built website to WordPress, and you don't want to risk breaking things up or losing data, they offer a reliable WordPress migration service. They will basically help you migrate from any content management system into WordPress. Now, what I like mostly about their operation is that they will help you handle the whole process from beginning to the end, from content to design structure, URL, and even down to the performance of your website. So if you're looking to switch from any content management system and you want professionals to handle the whole process for you, check out the link in my description and book their WordPress migration service today. So let's get back to the video. All right, so after waiting for about 15 minutes, the migration has now been completed. And now you can see right here, it says migration completed successfully from Rinsberry shop to this my website, casetech.com right here. And if I click on visit website, so right now it says briefly unavailable for scheduled maintenance. Check back in a minute. So I'm going to check back in a minute and hopefully everything is all set. All right, so after waiting for about 2 minutes, here is now casetech.com, and now you can see everything from the e-commerce store has now been migrated to this website right here. Now let's check the original website, and you can see that everything still remains the same on that website. So this is the website, the original website, and this right here is the one we have migrated to. And if I go to the pages, everything are the same, just like the original website we migrated from. I hope this video has been pretty much helpful. If you know it is, please get subscribed to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.